Alright, so now we're going to be talking about the rules of bowling, and we just have 5 basic rules. There's tons more rules, but the 5 basic ones. Number 1, you get 2 bowls or 2 tries to knock down as many bowling pins as possible. The second rule, and this is probably one of the most important rules, is that you have to stay behind the foul line each time you bowl. If you step on or over the foul line when you bowl, your bowl will not count, and any pins that you knock over, they will not be added to your score. Rule number 3, once you bowl your first bowl, you need to remove any of the pins that you knocked over before taking your second bowl. All right, rule number 4, if your bowl goes wide right or wide left, it is considered a gutter ball. At the bowling alley, the ball will actually fall into a gutter. Rule number 5, you're gonna play 10 frames and you need to take turns. Each person takes their 2 bowls and then it will be the next person's turn. Now we're gonna talk about scoring.